In WP Fluent form, we have set a default confirmation message. You can customize this message according to your requirements. To set up customized form submission confirmation message, go to the Settings tab on top when setting up your form. Here, you will find 3 different options of what to show when someone has filled up a form. Same page is selected by default. It enables you to show the successful form submission message on the same page the form is positioned in. Edit your confirmation message in the Message to Show field. Hide form is selected by default. It hides the form after the submission button is clicked and shows the success message. Reset form empties the form after the submission is completed and shows the success message below the refreshed form. In the To a Page option, select the page you want your subscribers redirected to using the drop-down menu named Select Page. To a Page enables you to redirect your subscriber to a page of your own website. To a Custom URL option enables you to redirect your subscribers to a page or website that is not in your domain. Put the outbound URL you want your subscribers redirected to in the Custom URL field. Whichever option you choose, save your customization by clicking on the Save Settings button. As we have already rolled out Conditional confirmation feature, it is suggested that you know more about it.